First, start off by applying primer all over your face. If you have oily skin like me, you can use the setting spray by Decay to control the oil before putting on the foundation with your damp beauty blender. However, if you have dry skin, please feel free to skip this step. Now, using a matte concealer, apply a light coat underneath your eye and tap it in gently with your ring finger to ensure that all the product is in. Now set underneath the eyes and all the other areas that tend to get oily. So for me, I'm also going to set my forehead. Now contour your jawline, your forehead, and your cheeks. Now wipe off all the excess powder and also use a sponge to lightly tap in the powder. This will help control the oils throughout the day. Now for my favorite part, the brows. I don't know why, this is just like my favorite part of my makeup routine. So what I like to do is I like to use that spoolie and brush my eyebrows upward, and then I go in with my pomade and I just fill in my brows how I'd like them. And at the very end, I do upward strokes on my brow to create a more defined brow. So what I like to do for a more natural eye look is take a concealer that resembles my skin tone and prime my eye with it, and then go on top of it with a powder that is my skin tone. Set your brows with a clear brow gel. Apply mascara to your upper and lower lashes. Smile and apply blush on your cheeks. Apply the highlighter to the inner eye and also to your cheeks. Now that all my makeup is on, I like to apply that setting spray one last time. And then for the lips, I always line my lips with Chestnut, and then I go in with a nude lipstick of my choice. And finally, set your face with a translucent powder. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. See you guys next time. Bye!